Good morning. If someone chooses to leave you, or you choose to leave another person, you break up with them or they break up with you, the relationship is severed, whatever the case, congratulate yourselves for evolving. You've both grown out of each other and now you are mature enough to move on. This is a very, very sacred time for you to be grateful for your ability to continue to grow and evolve. This doesn't mean that person or you have any less or are any less. It actually means that you have grown so much in the relationship that you have managed to outgrow each other. So the utilization of that past relationship has come to fruition, and now it's time to move to the next stage, whatever that may be. And so as you are packing your stuff or preparing your words to sever a relationship, whatever the relationship may be, even if it's work or it's any relationship that you are choosing to sever, or that you have been severed from, that person severed you from. It could be maybe you have experienced a firing. In all cases, both entities have outgrown each other. And so be grateful for the fruits of your labor, which have now come to fruition. It's now time to pick the fruit. You have fallen from the tree. You are now ripe. And you have seeds with which to sow your next stage, your next crop. So maybe this will serve somebody out there. It has served me quite well over the many decades and the many opportunities I have had and have given myself to move on, to grow new seeds, and to prepare the next year's crop. Namaste.